Association and correlation of thyroid hormones with anemia types in pregnant women. The present study aimed to measure the prevalence of thyroid dysfunction and to study their association with anemia types in pregnant women. In this study, 380 pregnant women with a gestational age of 12 weeks who had no history of thyroid dysfunction or anemia were chosen. All pregnant women were divided into two groups, A. Euthyroid, and B. Thyroid dysfunction. According to the nature of the dysfunction, the B group was further subdivided into hypothyroid, subclinical hypothyroid, SCH, and hyperthyroid. Thyroid hormones and erythrocyte indices were measured in all subjects using 5 ml of blood. According to the findings, out of 380 participants, 77.9% were found to be euthyroid, while the remaining 22.1% had thyroid dysfunction. Hypothyroidism was detected in 7.9% of the cases, SCH in 13.9%, and hyperthyroidism in 0.3% of the cases. Anemia was found in 97 pregnant women, 32.8%, out of 296 euthyroid women, whereas it was found in 43 women out of 84, 51.2%, in thyroid dysfunction women, that is significant statistically. There was no statistically significant difference between the thyroid dysfunction groups in Hb concentration, RBC count, MCV, MCH, and PCV between euthyroid and different thyroid dysfunction conditions, P less than 0.05. The correlation between FT4 and erythrocyte indices was found to be statistically significant. Because FT4 and TSH are correlated with erythrocyte indices, screening for thyroid dysfunction and vice versa is recommended to avoid the complications associated with anemia and thyroid dysfunction. Anemia and thyroid problems are two health issues that commonly affect women, especially during pregnancy. Anemia happens when a person doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. This can cause tiredness, weakness, and complications during pregnancy. Thyroid problems, on the other hand, occur when the thyroid gland, a small gland in the neck, produces too much or too little hormone, which can affect many body functions, including blood production. In developing countries, anemia during pregnancy is still a serious public health problem. It increases the chances of complications for both the mother and the baby, including a higher risk of death. About 38% of pregnant women globally are affected by anemia. Factors like poor nutrition, infections, chronic illnesses, frequent pregnancies, poverty, and late pregnancy checkups all contribute to this issue. Thyroid hormones play an important role in making red blood cells. When the thyroid is not working properly, especially in cases of low hormone levels, hypothyroidism, it can lead to or worsen anemia. Although both thyroid issues and anemia often occur together, the connection between them is not fully understood. Studies in animals and small groups of humans suggest there is a link, but more research is needed. In India, especially in the South Indian region of northern Andhra Pradesh, no studies have been done to see how common thyroid problems are in pregnant women and how they might be related to different types of anemia. This study aims to fill that gap by checking how often thyroid problems occur in pregnant women in this region and how they may be linked to anemia. Understanding this connection can help doctors better care for pregnant women and reduce risks for both mothers and babies. Thyroid dysfunction and anemia are commonly associated disorders during pregnancy. According to our study, a significant correlation exists between FT4, TSH with RBC indices. Hence, all the pregnant women with abnormal RBC indices should be screened for thyroid dysfunction and vice versa to avoid the complications of thyroid dysfunction and anemia during pregnancy. Further research is needed to establish a correlation between thyroid dysfunction and anemia types and also the potential causes for anemia and its types during pregnancy. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.